Morning to our lecturer, Sir Muhammad Nazri bin Muhammad Akbar, for subject Management Information System. Today, me and my friend will do the presentation video for presentation assessment. So before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nasri bin Ishaq, and my metric number is 05 DPM 24F1091. And in my part, I will do the introduction. I will discuss about what problem occur. Introduction. This presentation is focused on data privacy breach and that occur in Malaysia sector, affecting citizen personal information. The incident highlight the importance of ethical practices in managing and securing data within government system. This presentation will examine the issue using 5W1H framework and provide insight into the ethical concept that should govern information system in Malaysia sector. So what problem occur? In this part, I will explain to you and highlight several challenges in implementing information technology or IT in Malaysia public sector. Number one is digital divide. Not all citizens have equal access to technology, but it creating gaps in service accessibility. And number two is cybersecurity risk. Cybersecurity risk refers to the government data is vulnerable to hacking, which is cyber threats and breach. Number three is employee resistance. Some public sector employees resist adopting new digital tools due to lack of skill or fear of change. Number four is inadequate IT infrastructure. Some government agencies lack the necessary digital tools, networks, and expertise. And the last one is integration issues. Various information technology or IT system used by different agencies may not communicate effectively, leading to inefficiencies. So that's all from me. I will pass this presentation to my friends. Thank you very much.
My name is Muhammad Sharifuddin bin Abdullah. My registration number is 05 DPM 24F1133. Okay, today I want to talk about my part. I want to explain about the first part is who was involved or affected. According to study by Rami et al. At the year of 2021, improved communication information technology has greatly improved communication which involves citizens in the public sector through various platforms such as government website, social media, email, and mobile application. The next part I wanna to explain is why the issue or case occur. The study reveals that adopting IT can lead to increased productivity, better communication, and more responsibility. However, it also draws attention to important issues including the digital divide, cybersecurity flaws, reluctance among employees to embrace change, inadequate IT infrastructure, and convoluted procurement procedure. The paper highlights the need for efficiency, communication, and focused training, and it promotes simplification.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Uzaini. For this part, I want to talk about where has the issue of case occur. So, the issue of case occur is in Malaysia. It is revolutionized in all sectors around the world, including the public sector. Malaysia's government is divided into three levels, which are the federal, state, and local government. To carry out its responsibilities, the federal government establishes various ministries, departments, and agencies. For the second point is, the Malaysia sector will provide greater accountability and improve service. delivery to ensure higher transparency and accountability, also to provide an overview of using information technology towards achieving greater accountability in the Malaysian sector. The next slide is, when did the issue or case occur? The issue or case occur is in 2021 to 2025. It is to study reveals that adopting IT that can draw attention to important issues including the digital divide, cybersecurity flaws, reluctance among employees to embrace change, inadequate IT infrastructure, and convoluted procurement procedure. The second point is, IT includes a wide range of technology and tools that allows organization to effectively collect, process, analyze, and disseminate information. For the last point is, it will advise and give a wide exposure as the technology, secure data storage, data sharing, data analytic, and data visualization.
Good morning, my name is Haziq Bimaradi, and I will do my part of how the issue or case happened. So first is introduction of e-government initiative. The Malaysian government introduced IT driven to enhance service delivery, transparency and accountability in public administration. Second is challenges in implementation. Cybersecurity threats. Public sector systems became targets of cyber attacks like hacking incidents affecting government websites and data breaches exposing sensitive information. Next is IT infrastructure. Next is IT infrastructure limitation. Inadequate resources, funding constraints, and outdated system hindered effective IT implementation. The third one is impacts of IT adoption issues. Inefficiency in public service delivery due to slow digital transformation. Cyber threats compromise data privacy and public trust. And last one is measures taken to address the issues. Implementation of stronger cybersecurity frameworks and digital literacy programs. It's streamlining the streamlining procurement processes to improve IT system upgrades. Encouraging government employees to embrace digital transformation through training and awareness programs. In conclusion, the use of information technology in Malaysia public sector has played a crucial role in enhancing accountability, transparency and efficiency. Recognizing its importance, the government has taken significant steps to integrate IT into public administration to modernize service delivery. Malaysia's digital government initiative aims to streamline processes, reduce administration burden, and minimize errors through digitalization. Automated system has significantly improved public service efficiency, allowing for faster transaction, better financial management, and increased public trust. Additionally, the adoption of different accounting systems across various government tiers ensure financial accountability while maintaining operational flexibility. Besides this advancement, IT threats resistant to change. IT implementation. Despite this advancement, IT implementation also presents challenges. Issues such as the digital divide, cybersecurity threats, resistance to change and limited IT infrastructure hinder full digital transformation. While While IT enhances public security, while IT enhances public service delivery, strong cybersecurity measures and continuous system upgrades are necessary to prevent cyber attacks and protect sensitive data. Moving forward, Malaysia must continue its commitment to digital transformation, adapt to challenges. Moving forward, Malaysia must continue its commitment to digital transformation, adapt to emerging technologies, and ensure inclusive IT access for all citizens.
Okay, the last part of me is accountability. According to Bosco et al., on the year 2013, information technology could improve accountability by providing. The first point is more accurate and timely information. Digital tools allows organization to track performance and compliance in real time to reducing the risk or many errors. Second point is enhanced transparency. IT system facilitate the recording, tracking and sharing of financial and operational data. The third point is data integrity and security. IT solutions help maintain data accuracy and prevent unauthorized access. And the last point I want to talk about is improve communication. Digital platforms streamline communication between stakeholders to ensure accountability are measured well.
Okay, in this part, I will discuss about the responsibility. So, to overcome this challenge, different stakeholders hold responsibilities. Number one is government authorities. For example, ensure a proper information technologies, infrastructure and funding. And develop policies and regulations for cybersecurity and data protection. And promote digital literacy and training programs for employee and citizen. And key number two is information technology department and professionals to maintain and upgrade IT systems to improve efficiency, security. And point number two is IT department and professionals. So the responsibility for IT departments and professionals is to maintain and upgrade IT system to improve efficiency and security. Other than that, it's also provide technical support and training to government employees, and also it ensure seamless integration of digital platform across agency. Point number three is public sector employees. It adapt to a new IT system and attend training programs. Other than that, it's also use a digital tool effectively for better service delivery. And then it's also follow the cybersecurity best practices to prevent data breach. And the last point is citizen. For the responsibility for citizen is to engage with e-government services and provide feedback. And it also responsibility is to adapt to digital services while ensuring personal cybersecurity awareness. That's all for me. Thank you very much.
For this slide, is privacy. Privacy is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the public sector is a possible target for cyber attacks since it handles sensitive data. The second point is data security and privacy must be ensured, and this call for effective cybersecurity policies and safeguards. For the last one is to combat these problems, it is crucial to build a solid cybersecurity framework, put encryption and authentication procedure in place, and periodically update security system.